Ever happened that you are not clear about the purpose of whatever you're doing? कुछ कर रहे हो पर ये चल रहा है दिमाग में कि ये मुझे कहाँ लेकर जा रहा है, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है इसका पर्पस क्या है। ये कर तो रहा हूं बट इससे कुछ होगा या नहीं होगा, पता चले एंड में इट वाज जस्ट अ वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम, नथिंग हैपेंड। Yeah. So, in this video, I'm going to talk about how certain things need time and need you to experience them for you to really get to see what happens, right? Stay on right until the end. This is very, very critical. वो जो उथल पुथल मच जाती है, टर्मोइल होता है कि ये क्यों हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, no clarity, no certainty. How do you deal with that? Hi, I'm Astha Tatia, daughter of two rock-solid pillars, mother to a lovely daughter, wife of a humor king, an engineer, MBA, corporate executive turned anchor person, now an author and a happiness coach, helping leaders have deep connections and meaningful relationships in their organizations. Hit the like button if you are able to relate with this video. Also subscribe to the YouTube channel. So a lot of times, what I have experienced when happened with me also, and I see a lot of my clients, a lot of people around me, when they are doing the work. Now, it could be the work that you're doing on yourself, which means I'm stuck in a place, I feel there is a lot of pain, challenge, and I'm doing the work that is necessary for me to take myself to the next level, to move beyond those pains. Yeah. And I wonder, ये जो मैं कर रहा हूं, ये मुझे कहां लेकर जा रहा है, इसका क्या फायदा है, इसका क्या पर्पस है. Same way at your workplace, let's say your boss or your colleague has asked you to do something, right? And you are not able to figure out what's the whole purpose. इसको करने से क्या बदल जाएगा, क्या फायदा होगा. Now, in such a scenario, I just want to, kind of remind you that one, yes, there are certain tasks where you need to have the clarity, what needs to be done, why are we doing this, where are we going to reach? Because only then will you be able to really accomplish something, put in your heart and soul. Yeah, there could be those specific tasks. However, there are certain other, I'll use the word journeys. They may be short, they may be long. Those journeys which you set out on, okay, not knowing what's going to be the outcome. Do you intend to have a certain outcome? How you're going to reach there, you don't know. आप ट्रेन में बैठते हो, फ्लाइट में बैठते हो, आपको पता होता है कि मैं वहां पहुंचने वाला हूं. Out here, yes, you are intending to reach somewhere, but you don't know how it's going to happen, how much time it may take. But the fact is that when you set out on that journey, when you are doing that, when you experience each day as it comes, and you keep doing the work consistently, you will for sure move ahead. You will for sure, by the time you kind of reflect upon it, you would have moved 10 steps ahead. And it could have been an absolutely new territory, an unexplored territory for you. Something that you didn't have in mind, but you said, oh, ye kya khul gaya naya? Yeah. And I'm sure you would have experienced this, sometimes, but that only happens if you want to get that joy of something new opening up. That will only happen when you set out on that journey with complete faith, one, in yourself, and two, in, I would say, the process, in the universe. Whoever is that other person, it could be your coach, it could be your boss. If you have that faith in the other person, and then you have that faith in you, trusting the whole process, I'm telling you, it's going to be a magical journey for you. But if there's a slight doubt, then you're not going to do it the way you really want it to happen. And then outcomes are not going to be that, and you will just keep wondering ki haan, mujhe pata tha ye to waste hi hona hai. You're going to manifest it, right? So the point is, every time you are taking up a journey, not necessary that you'll be able to really define very, very certainly that this is how I'm going to progress. This is where I will reach in next 5 days, and this is where I'm going to be in next 5 months. May not be the case always. Yes, you should have an end goal, or where you want to reach, so that you move in that direction. However, trust the process and get on with the journey. Certain journeys have to be experienced each moment and tweaked accordingly so that you move in the right direction. Right? So give yourself the chance, give yourself the space, the grace to experience, to explore. Every time having the certainty, and that's what we want, that's what the brain wants, certainty. And when you don't have certainty, you get uneasy. You're like, am I wasting my time, my money, my efforts? There's a question mark. And when there's a question mark, you're not on the journey wholeheartedly. So अपने आप से बात करो, अपने आप को बताओ, clear करो that it's okay. I'm giving myself this much time because this is what I want. Yeah, just be okay with that uncertainty. I hope you found this meaningful. And if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.